Welcome to KSRIS Academy, and now let's get into daily news headline analysis of 15th October 2021. Most areas on Amritsar Jalandhar Highway under BSF jurisdiction now. So before getting into this article, let me give you a brief intro about what BSF is. Border Security Force. So this has been set up in the year 1965 after Indo-Pakistan War, and it is deployed on Indo-Pakistan border, Indo-Bangladesh border, on line of control, and on anti-Naxal operations. It is one of the 5 central armed police forces. And it has an air wing, marine wing, artillery regiment, and commando units. So recently, the Union government has increased the jurisdiction of border security force from 15 to 50 kilometers inside the international border along Punjab, West Bengal, and Assam. So Union government BSF jurisdiction 15 kilometers only 50 kilometers ki penchindi. Most of the towns and cities on the Amritsar Jalandhar highway in Majha region are now in the jurisdiction of BSF. There, it can conduct raids and arrest persons in connection with any infiltration bid along the border. US elected back to UN Human Rights Council after Trump's debate. So UN Human Rights Council has been created by UN General Assembly. In the year 2006 as a replacement to United Nations Commission on Human Rights. It is an intergovernmental body and it promotes and protects human rights around the globe. So US is again elected back to UN Human Rights Council. Foxconn, Nokia, and 29 other get DOT not for telecom PLI. So production-linked incentives gives incentives to companies to produce goods in domestic markets, to manufacture products in domestic markets. వాళ్ళ products ని domestic markets లో manufacture చేయడానికి ఈ scheme అనేది వాటికి incentives ఇస్తుంది. And it has been given to 13 sectors like pharmaceuticals, food processing, textiles, etc. So the Department of Telecommunications on Thursday approved production-linked incentive schemes proposals for 31 companies, including global conglomerates such as Foxconn, Jabil, Nokia, Rising Star, and CommScope for production of telecom and networking products in India. Domestic micro, small, and medium enterprises such as Coral Telecom, STL, Reka Wireless Solutions, Systrom, Synigra's plan for the telecom equipment manufacturing PLA were approved. MSMEs kuda ee PLA anedi approve chesaru. While the plans submitted by Dixon, Tejas Networking, VVDN Technologies, among others, were given the go-ahead in the non-MSME sector. So just like the other production links incentives, this scheme kuda telecom inka network equipment manufacturing chese companies ki incentives provide chestundi in order to achieve a minimum threshold of cumulative incremental investment and incremental sales of manufactured goods net of taxes. So as today is Dashra, the Office of Hindu newspaper haven't published any news. Thank you.